In this video, I am going to show you how to create a pre-approval report in Chrome River. Let's get started by logging into your Chrome River account to get to the dashboard. Select the Create a New Pre-Approval Report. Pre-approval reports are commonly used for conferences and travel, but are not limited to these types of expenses. In this example, I'm going to type conference. Next, select the start and end dates of your trip. The number of days will automatically be calculated for you. In the Business Purpose section, enter the name of the conference. In the Travel Type drop-down, select either in-state or out-of-state. You can also select international. Select your depart time and arrival times. Select the destination by typing the name of the city you will travel to. You may add an additional location if needed. Select the GL approver by typing the name of the employee. If alcohol will be purchased during the trip, select the alcohol checkbox. Cash advance can be used for items such as student travel meals, but for this example, I'm going to leave it blank. The banner index number is the last item needed for the title page. You can select it from the drop-down menu or search by the name of the department, program, or any portion of the fund and index. If there isn't an activity or location code for the index you will use, you may type the word leave and select Leave Activity Code blank and Leave Location Code blank. If there is more than one index that will fund the trip, additional banner indexes can be added by clicking the plus Add Banner Index button. After you've completed adding all of your indexes, hit Save, the top right-hand corner. Next, we need to start adding our estimated expenses to the report. Expense types are divided into categories based on the most common types. Each category is represented by a tile, and subcategories may be selected from the drop-down. In this example, I'm going to add airfare and conference estimated expense costs. For airfare, I'm going to select the air travel tile. I'm going to enter the estimated cost along with some details about the flight. Once you have added your description, hit the Save button. As you save your expenses, they will appear on the left in the pre-approval report. For the conference registration cost, I'm going to select the Professional Development tile. and select Conference Seminar from the subgroup. Again, I'm going to enter the estimated cost along with some details about the conference. And select Save. If you need to alter or remove an expense, select it from the left-hand side of the report and choose Delete or Edit from the top toolbar. Once you verify everything is accurate, click the Submit button. You will be asked to certify that all expenses listed are true and correct. Select the Submit button for a second time. Approvers will still need to approve the pre-approval report, so take that into account when planning for a trip. It may be necessary to follow up with approvers. In order to see what queue the report is in, click on the Chrome River logo at the top left hand of the screen to bring you back to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see several ribbons at the top of the screen. In the pre-approval section, you will see Drafts, Return, and Submitted Expenses. You may click on any of these items to see the reports. Click on the Submitted area and look for the report you would like to track. Clicking the report will bring up the details on the right-hand side. To see where in the approval queue the report is located, click the Tracking button. The number routing steps will allow you to see where the report is sitting in the queue. In this example, there are 3 steps, but this may vary by department. The step status shows as either assigned, approved, or returned. If an approver has questions about your report, they may return it to you and ask for clarification, corrections, and you will need to resubmit. If you need to close a pre-approval that is partially used or no longer needed, navigate back to the pre-approvals and select the report. Click the Expire button from the top toolbar. This concludes the pre-approval report tutorial.